Hi, little stars! Are you ready for an adventure?
Hello, friends! Today, we will learn how a tiny seed grows into a beautiful flower. It all begins with a tiny seed. Inside, there's a baby plant waiting to grow. The seed needs soil, water, and sunlight to grow. Let's give it a drink. Roots grow down first to find water and hold the plant in place. Then, pop! A little sprout reaches up to the sky. Leaves help catch sunlight, and soon, a flower blooms. Isn't it lovely? A bee visits the flower to collect pollen. This helps new seeds to grow. Later, tiny seeds grow inside the flower. One falls gently to the ground. Later, tiny seeds grow inside the flower. One falls gently to the ground. Wasn't that amazing? From a tiny seed to a blooming flower. Nature is full of wonders. See you next time, explorers.
Subscribe for more fun with Brighty. Did you like today's adventure? Don't forget to give us a thumbs up.